How to create an account in ChatGPT. You go to your browser and search for ChatGPT, and then you click on the first link. Once it's open, then you click on the sign up button that pops up. So if you have an account already, that's where you click on the login, but here you click on sign up, and then if the sign up form opens up, you can enter your email address and then click on continue, or you can either create an account in ChatGPT using your Google account, or maybe continue with your Microsoft account or Apple account. So we are going to use an email to create. So you just enter your email address and then you click on continue, and then here you create your password. It should be a strong password, and then you click on continue. I already have an account in ChatGPT, so all I need to do is to log in. So once you create your password, the next thing is for you to log into your account. So I am going to log in. I'll log into my account. Sorry. Once you successfully create your account and log in, you can start using ChatGPT to do your research work, your content creation, anything at all you want to use it for. It will literally help you do everything with ease. So this is simple how you create your account in ChatGPT. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to those who are in need of the video. Thank you for watching. I'm hoping to see you in the next video.